Are you looking for the best electric go-kart? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric go-kart on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VEVOR Electric Go-Kart 6V. The VEVOR Kids Electric Kart is designed to offer a safe and enjoyable ride for children over 2 years old. Its wide 4-wheel base and sturdy carbon steel frame provide stable support, preventing rollovers even on uneven surfaces, so your child can ride confidently. The simple controls let kids easily choose forward or backward and start pedaling, making it easy to learn and control. With a preset speed of 2 miles per hour, you don't need to worry about adjusting it, ensuring a smooth and safe pace. Plus, the powerful 6V battery and fast motor give your child long-lasting fun without frequent recharging. What we like: stable 4-wheel design, easy-to-use controls, safe preset speed, long battery life. Number 2. GAOMON 24V Electric Go-Kart. The GAOMON Electric Go-Kart offers an exciting ride for kids aged 6 and up. With 2 powerful 150W motors and a robust 7Ah battery, you can choose between high and low speeds, making it fun for young drivers to control. The dual pedal design, featuring both gas and brake pedals, ensures easy operation, allowing your child to accelerate and slow down with confidence. Safety is a priority, as the kart is built with a high-strength steel frame and a secure 5-point seat belt to keep your child safe while they race. Plus, the low center of gravity and specialized tires make drifting easy and stable. What we like: powerful dual motors, easy pedal control, safe design with seat belt, stable for drifting. Number 3. Hislaves Adjustable Electric Drift Trike Go-Kart. The Hislaves Electric Drift Kart is designed to grow with your child, thanks to its adjustable sliding seat that fits riders aged 8 to 14 and up to 150 pounds. This means you won't need to buy a new kart as your child gets bigger. It offers exciting 360-degree drifting with a unique 3-wheel setup that lets you perform smooth spins and slides at speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Safety is a priority with features like a protective front-wheel guard, a bright safety flag for visibility, and a sturdy frame that absorbs shocks. Plus, the easy-to-use electric controls mean no pedaling, just use the thumb throttle to accelerate and enjoy over 2 hours of fun on a single charge. What we like: adjustable seat for growing kids, 360-degree drifting capability. Safety features included: easy electric controls, long battery runtime. Number 4. BERG Buzzy Police Pedal Go-Kart. The BERG Buzzy pedal kart offers an easy and smooth riding experience thanks to its direct drive system, which makes pedaling light and effortless. This means you can enjoy riding through puddles, sand, or even wooded areas without struggling. The kart stays steady on any surface because of its 4 off-road wheels and a swing axis, giving you confidence as you explore different terrains. Plus, the seat adjusts to 3 different positions, ensuring a comfortable fit as your child grows. This pedal kart is a great outdoor toy that combines fun, stability, and comfort in one package. What we like: direct drive system, 4-wheel stability, off-road capabilities, adjustable seat. Number 5. sexaoalx Adjustable Electric Go-Kart for Kids. The sexaoalx Kids Electric Kart is designed to grow with your child, featuring an adjustable length that fits kids aged 8 to 12 comfortably. This means you can easily customize the kart to your child's size for a better driving experience. Safety is a priority with a slow start function and a seat belt to keep your child secure while driving. The kart also includes specialized tires that enhance drifting fun, giving your child an exciting and smooth ride. Plus, the sturdy all-steel frame ensures a strong and safe structure, so you can feel confident in its durability and safety during outdoor play. What we like: adjustable length, safety features, drift-capable tires, sturdy steel frame.